Hey you guys, so before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to join the family. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Taryn. This is my life as Taryn. Welcome. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Literally, I think I get asked about my hair, I don't know, like all the time, like literally 24/7, like yeah, I don't think there's a day that someone doesn't ask, first of all, if my hair is real, do I have extensions, do I have clip-ins, how did I just grow my hair out. I just get like 1,001 questions on I forgot what day, but I actually had returned to social media. I returned to social media and I posted a picture of myself, and I had kind of noticed my hair had gotten really long, which I hadn't been on social media, so I wasn't taking pictures of myself, so I didn't realize how long my hair was until I took a picture. And when I took that picture, I was like, whoa, my hair has gotten really long. And so I posted it acknowledging the fact that my hair got really long, and people like literally were blowing my DMs. Like, I was like, okay, like I need to make a video, we need to sit down and talk about this, because I'm getting so many questions about my hair. I usually get so many questions about my hair. It's nothing really new, but I had never had this like huge amounts of people ask. Okay, so if you are interested on how I grew my hair out naturally, stay tuned. People are always interested in how I grew my hair out, how it is so long, and for the most part pretty healthy, I would say. It is down to, let me show y'all. So my hair, I don't know, you can't tell, is past my bra strap. So my bra strap is right here and my hair is right here, which is like mid back length. It's like mid back length or whatever, and this is literally the longest my hair has ever been. I'm only 24, I'll be 25 next month, but this is literally like the longest my hair has ever been before. It can kind of be annoying because it gets caught in the window and all these other issues. But so yes, let's just answer some quick questions before we get started. Number one question I know I get all the time: do I go to a beautician to get my hair done? No, I do not go to a beautician. I've only ever been to a beautician twice in my whole entire life, and that's when I worked at Ulta. I worked in the salon, so we got our hair done for free. So I've only ever gotten my hair done professionally twice, and my sister is a beautician, she's a cosmetologist, but she don't do my hair. So yeah, let's get that out the way. I don't see a beautician. I am not a beautician by no means. I've never taken a hair class before. I don't know all that much about hair. I just know how I take care of my hair from personal experience. Another question I know I'm already going to get: am I natural? Yes, I am 100% natural, in the sense of I don't have any chemicals to keep my hair straight. So no relaxer, no Texlax, no nothing. I do not have any chemicals in my hair, no hair dye. This is my natural color. Yes, nothing in my hair to make it straight. Another question I definitely am going to get, and I already know, do I straighten my hair? Yes, I actually straighten my hair to death, probably. Just gonna be honest. Yes, I probably straighten my hair way too much, but my reasoning for that is I like my hair straight. Like, I've always worn my hair straight. Even when I did have relaxer, I had a relaxer back in 2010, 2011, but I had dyed my hair like blonde, not like platinum blonde, but like blonde for black people, so like a honey blonde. And I was terrified if I put a relaxer in it, all my hair was gonna come out. So I just like slowed the relaxer out of my hair. really like unintentionally. So it wasn't like I was intentionally trying to go natural. I just was like growing my hair out, and then I started to notice that my hair was actually very naturally curly. Like I had never seen my natural hair, because my mom had been relaxing my hair since I think I was like 4. I want to say I was like 4. So you know, that's just what parents did back then in the 90s, early 2000s. You had a relaxer back in the day. Now that is not very common at all. Currently my hair does not really curl anymore. I have a lot of heat damage, which one day I might go ahead and cut my hair off just so I can gain my natural curl pattern. But for now, I love the straight, the long straight black hair. It's all mine. It's natural. It works. On top of, I do have a 4-year-old daughter. For, you know, my new subscribers, I have a 4-year-old. Her hair is natural. I would never put a relaxer in it. I probably won't straighten it until she's like 10. And it's very expensive to be natural, so I just don't really do all that. Like, I let her have all the products because, yeah, that's a no for me. Plus, I find it very time consuming to have to wake up every day on top of everything else I have to do as a single mom. And yeah, so also another question I get a lot: do I straighten my hair every single day? No, I do not straighten my hair every single day. I only straighten my hair after I wash it. We'll get into that. If you guys really want to know like what I do like on a basic hair routine, because right now I'm just showing you what I put in my hair, how many times I wash my hair, how many times I oil my hair, and stuff like that. Definitely thumbs up this video and leave down a comment below if you want more specifically on like how I wash my hair or how many times I wash my hair, because everyone's different. Leave comments down below on what you would like to see next after this video. But right now I'm just going to tell you what I put in my hair. What do I put in my long, luscious hair to keep it hydrated, to keep it long and thriving? I'm just going to be 100% honest with you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? I need to know you're ready. I use Organics refined coconut oil from my local HEB, which would be a Texas, you know, kind of sort of grocery store. So literally I've had this, and there's a little bit of hair in it, but that's okay because I put this in mine and Bailey's hair. This is a very big container. And this is what I use on me and Bailey's hair. Like, it definitely keeps my hair hydrated. It keeps Bailey's hair hydrated. And I've had this particular container, and I'm not joking, I'm very, very serious, for going on 3 years. Yes, I've been using this same jar, y'all, I'm not playing, for 3 years, okay? And let me tell you, it is the only product I use personally in my hair to keep it hydrated, and it's really been working to grow out my hair. So it's organic and it's refined. Literally, you can find this in any cooking aisle, in any grocery store. So that's where I start. Now, first of all, a little goes a long way. You do not need a lot of it. That's why this big old jar has lasted me this long, because you don't need a lot. Like, literally, I have a lot of hair. For me having a lot of hair, typically I have to use like almost triple, quadruple a lot of products to do what it should be doing, right? But with this, since it is very hydrating, and y'all can use coconut oil on your skin too. It's very hydrating. A little goes such a long way. It's a huge stretch that my hair stays hydrated. So that's just that's the only product I use. I haven't come across anything else that I really like or I feel like it's worked for me in a hair growth way. And also it's natural. Also, to maintain your hair at night, you need to keep the moisture in your head, right? You need to keep the moisture in your hair. You need to keep it hydrated. I live in Texas, so it gets a little humid sometimes. My cousin was asking me, and especially if you have curly hair, you definitely need to be keeping your hair hydrated if it's curly. Like, hydration helps with hair growth. Say it with me now. Hydration helps with hair growth, okay? And this is just personally what I've been doing for me and my daughter's hair, and it's been working. Also, wearing a satin scarf at night. I know a lot of people say, women say they don't like, you know, wrapping their hair at night. I literally wrap my hair every single night. I'm faithful with the hair scarf, okay? Every single night, to keep that moisture and hydration in my hair, you know? And some people sweat at night. I get that. Sweetheart, turn on the fan or something. But in all seriousness, you need that reliable satin scarf or a satin pillow. I still do the scarf because you can slide off that satin pillow. It's too easy. And mind you, this is the actual scarf I use, so yes, it's old. It's okay. So yeah, I use this satin scarf, and of course the satin part is going to be the side that's on my head, right? So it keeps the moisture in, and my hair's not breaking off. Y'all, I know it's a lot to do it every night, but you got to do what you got to do to get what you want. So definitely recommend this. You can find it in any beauty supply store. And then for the nights that I wash my hair but I don't straighten my hair, so my hair is like jumbo big and I'm just like, I ain't really in the mood for all this, y'all, I still put something on my head. Okay, you have to put something on your hair. I have a jumbo bonnet, and my jumbo bonnet keeps what, you know, after I wash my hair, I put, you know, the coconut oil in it, and I'll put my jumbo bonnet on it to keep it hydrated so my hair doesn't break off. That's what you want. You want to protect your hair while you're sleeping. If you're not protecting your hair while you're sleeping, no wonder your hair is breaking off. You gotta do something, anything. Hydration and satin scarves are gonna save your life, sis. Save your hair life, okay? You have to be faithful with this. You have to continuously keep your hair hydrated, not greasy. I did not say greasy. I did not say that. If y'all want to know how many times I oil my hair and wash my hair, like I said, leave in the comments down below. Let me know. Definitely thumbs up this video and share it. Y'all share it. Let all my sisters know how we getting this hair growth 2020, all naturals, no clip-ins, okay? But anyway, you have to be disciplined. You have to keep your hair covered, okay? Just saying. Yes. So that is how I've grown out my hair completely naturally. I haven't been taking any hair or nail pills or anything like that. I ain't really too great with that anyway, but this is how I've naturally grown out my hair to be super long, you guys, and there's really no breakage, no damage to my hair. So healthy long hair. So like I said before, if you want further details, definitely leave a question down below. You guys subscribe for more hair videos because I will be giving y'all my secrets if you ask for them. So you guys stay blessed, you stay encouraged, you stay in the word, y'all. Bye.